Hello folks, as the layout goes on it's going to be a bit more complex, and with myself heading into the fridge looking for a knife and fork, I decided to map out the layout so as things go on I can remember what does what and where it goes, including the wiring. As you can see, the boards are a bit more complex now with a lot of wiring inside it. So as a wee aid, I decided to do two things: map out a hard copy and also an electronic copy. The electronic copy is just a simple PowerPoint. I use Impress from LibreOffice for my PowerPoints. As you can see, I've got the various ones in there. I've also got the hard copy in the folder, just mapping out all the information. So I've got the DCC port addresses, I've got where the hookup wires are on the layout itself. I use Xtrack CAD for my drawings and my layout, original design. I've also got where the sensors are. There are two pieces of information there. I've got the port 4 for the ECOS to understand it, and also use this 52, that's for Rockrail, just how the Rockrail numbers the sensors, a bit different from the ECOS command station. Where the detection is, I've also got these marked out as well, where they go from the board to the layout. The signals, I've only got 4 signals on the layout at the moment. These ones are still to get wired in, so as I wire them in there I'll map them out as well. And this is the little board I use for the signals. Relay board, so the DCC changes the relays. On the points, the points that I worked with servos, a wee motorised motor in here, using my own one there. So I've just marked in where I use the track bus, and I put in the frog control as well, how it works. So I've got all my various points in there, including the diamond frog. You can see this drawn here is working on board. I'm still using the pens, and once I get it drawn in pen I'll then print it into the computer using the Impress software, and so on. With my Servo 4 boards, I'm still with my point mapping it out. I've got where the point motors go to in each servo, and these ones here I'll eventually write in the pen where they go to on the main board. I still use a notepad as well as I go on through the layout. I record it as I go on, so I haven't been blind totally. I have been recording some things as I go, but as I says, time's moving on. It's getting a bit more complex for me to remember where everything goes, so I've decided to put it in a hard copy and also electronic copy as well. The good thing about the electronic copy as well, the PowerPoint, it will go towards making my next presentation for my MERG meeting after the year. Thanks for watching, bye.